Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain about the ES6 features. If you don't know ES6 features, so I will tell you in 3 minutes. Okay, so in that ES6 features, first of all it let and const. So let block scope variable and const is a block scope constant. And I take one example for like let x equal to 10 and const y equal to 20 and then x equal to 15. So here is a like y equal to 25 is the like error can't reassign. See, if I will write const y, so it will come. If I will write, so it will come error assignment to constant variable. See, it is giving error. So that is the latent const, and then second is arrow function. Arrow function is shorter syntax for function, and this is lexically scoped. So let's say that is the arrow function format like const add equal to and then parameter a b and then arrow function a plus b. If I will do console.log add 2 or 3, so it will give the output 5. See, 5, I got 5. The next is template literals. So use backtick and like dollar and curly braces for dynamic strings. If I will like write let n equal to, let's say, not zone ria and then console.log hello and then dollar in backtick with hello and then dollar and curly braces and then pass and ria, so it will give the output ria. See, hello ria. So next is fourth is destructuring. So extract value from array or object, that is destructuring. Let's say const in array a and b and equal like again array 1 and 2. It is assigned like a 1 and b 2. And then const name age. So in that object. So in that object name alias and then age 25. So that is the destructuring. And the fifth is default parameters. So default parameters in it means set default values in function. Let's say one function name greet and name equal to guest and console.log hello name, so it will print hello guest and I call the function greet, so it will print hello guest. See, hello guest. So the next is rest and split operators. Rest collects argument and split expand array or object. So let's say function and then sum and then split operator with nums. So return nums dot reduce and then a and b a plus b. So console.log 1 2 3. So it will be give the one value, that is sum. So 3 2 5 and then 6. So we will got 6. And the next is promises. So promises handle asynchronous operations like const fetch data and then arrow function and return new promise and then resolve and reject and then set timeout resolve data loaded and in 1 second. So if we will do fetch data dot then data console dot log data, so it will give data loaded. So it will give the output data loaded. See, data loaded. So that is the promise. And the next is eight classes. Classes syntax sugar over prototype. So let's say class person and then constructor and then name and this dot name and equal to name. So greet console.log hi, I am this dot name. So it will print name. See, hi I am and then const p equal to new person Bob. So p dot greet we call the function, then print hi I am Bob. See, hi I am Bob. Okay, so the next is ninth is modules. Modules, it means export or import. In that React.js, we can simply export or import the modules. So split code into modules. Like we can create one file math.js and export const sum a b and a plus b, and then same like import we can another file like main.js and import sum from math.js. So we can got the value from the like sum. So that is the ninth features of ES6 that comes in ES6. So if you like remind the like your ES6 version in ES6 features in like 3 to 4 minutes, so you can watch this video. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, so you can comment down, and if you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.